And so in this video I'm going to have a go at making a Rhubarb Infusion. So stage one is to get myself 2 good handfuls of rhubarb, and I'll just go through them looking for the nice pinky red stalks to use. And then next thing to do is to roughly chop them up to get to 500 grams. And then threw all those chunks into a glass container and then covered them with 300 grams of granulated white sugar. So with only the rhubarb and the sugar in the jar, I then sealed it up and left this for 24 hours. And here we are a day later. As you can see, the sugar's nicely dissolved and we've also extracted some juice. So I've strained the liquid off and we're looking at 350 ml of rhubarb syrup. And because I'm able to distill at a high ABV, I can use this to calculate how much I need to add in to make a final product of 40% ABV. So now I know where I stand, everything's gone back into the jar, and now I'm adding in the cut down alcohol, and I'm thinking I'm going to give this a few more days to infuse just to see if I can extract a bit more out of this rhubarb. And this is what mine was like after 3 more days infusing, so that was definitely worth doing. As you can see, the discoloration now on the rhubarb. So at this stage I decided to strain it off and then also filter it through a doubled over piece of muslin. And there we go. Final thing to do, just stick it into a bottle. So here we are at the end of the video, and as per usual, I have the final product. Look at that. Some Rhubarb liqueur. Amazing colour, look at that. Look at that. I guess if you used more tender stalks, some redder or slightly pinkier ones, then it would come out as a deeper colour, but nevertheless, it's interesting. Not much of a hit on the old rhubarb. A little bit of a sweetness, but it's down to taste, I guess. Here we go. See what happens. That's very good. I like that a lot. Oh, excuse me. I guess you're enjoying just sitting there watching me drink my own infusion. Yeah, and I don't know if you're the same, but the thought of eating some rhubarb generally does give me the willies. I'm like, but this is balanced very well with the rhubarb and the sugar. Yeah, I'm not disappointed at all with this. There is that trap to get into where if you're having something with some syrup in it, and you can go, oh yeah, it's really nice, I love that. But all you're actually getting is like a sugar rush hit from it. But this is, no, like I say, yeah, well balanced. If you've got some spare rhubarb down the bottom of the garden, then yeah, give it a go. Or you can obviously buy shop bought rhubarb, but yeah, happy days. And with that in mind, thanks for watching. Make sure you keep on shining.